really nice.
It's a really nice view.
Yeah, me and Ryan are out camping today. And yeah, we just thought we'd show you the view. It's really nice. We're at Lake Erie. And we're gonna go down to the beach now. There's my bike. And Ryan's just gonna park his bike right now. We're gonna get down there. Hey guys, so we're walking along the beach and there's like a billion shells down here. Look at this. They're all shells, I don't know. Somehow all this ended up here instead of sand, and yeah, I guess we're just gonna skip some rocks for you. It's right now, and here's Ryan's. Oh, that was terrible. It's really relaxing just staring at the water from here.
Anita,
I don't know why, it's really nice here.
it's hard to find good rocks.
Yeah, there's like, everything's just shells. Look at all these shells. Oh yeah, now I know what's on the sand. They're just broken shells. It's not even sand.
It's not rock.
Yeah, it's not rock. So, I'm really glad we chose this place to go camping. It's pretty nice. Yeah, have you found a rock yet?
No,
Oh my god.
it's really hard.
We're looking for good rocks to skip.
I'm gonna try.
Dude,
I'm gonna try
there's like nothing.
this rock to skip, which is not gonna.
You know what, just whip it.
Well, that's
Oh,
too close.
that skipped twice, but Ryan's butt was in the way, so.
There's some rocks over here. Yes, I got
I'm not
one.
gonna risk getting my phone wet, so.
Here's
gonna-
another rock. Okay.
Okay, let's go. Oh, that skipped twice.
Not too good, but
There's really nothing.
this try to skip this jagged rock. Not that great. Skip twice.
Twice. Well, yeah, if it's kind of boring for you. Yeah. Well, too bad you're watching it, so there's nothing else to upload. Well, I'll meet you at the campfire. We found a dead fish here somewhere, but like, when we started recording, I guess some park rangers took it away, and now, well, we wanted to show you a dead fish, but I guess not. Yeah, it sounds weird, but still.
It'd
It was,
be
I don't know, I
taken
guess,
down.
yeah, we're not allowed to show you dead fish, and the Ontario Park Ranger people just scooped it up and took it away. So, yeah, unfortunately we couldn't show you that. But we can show you the campfire on us ruining it. So yeah. Oh, up, heads up. Okay, yeah, I don't know where that landed, but sure. See ya. Realized that the bottom of the lake's actually really shallow. It's just a bunch of rocks folded together. See, it's like this all rocks. It's like really long until it actually drops deep. So you could technically walk out all the way out there and you won't drown. It's really shallow. I don't want to get wet because like I've got the phones in my pocket. So yeah, just wanted to show you that. Hope it's not getting too annoying. And Ryan's just out there doing random stuff. I don't know what he's doing. But yeah. Thought I'm actually just gonna get wet. It's actually really relaxing in here. I'm gonna try to get to where Ryan is, and yeah. So, oh god, it's really slippery in here. But it's also really relaxing. Dude, there's moss all over the rocks. And I don't think I'm supposed to have my slippers in here, but sure. Jeez. Hey.
Most rocks here have been like around for a pretty long time.
Yeah, like they're all really smooth. They've been shaped by the.
Also,
waves
they're
and
pretty
stuff.
slippery.
really sick. Man. I've just been talking about that, and I practically sick over there. It was like a bitch. Anyways, well, we're just gonna show this. Well, yeah. So hope this like kind of vlog thing doesn't get too long, cause like, oh
It's
no.
supposed to be simple.
Yeah, and also, yeah, so if you don't see any gaming videos come out this weekend, it's because we're camping, so
And
we
there's
don't have
not-
any service.
Yeah. By the time we finish publishing this video, we're probably gonna be back.
Yeah, so, and yeah, I'm gonna figure out how to edit a freaking video. I'm like really trash at editing, so yeah, hope I get better at it. So, we're back, and there's a freaking quillfish.
That was really bad.
And yeah, it's really bad. I know. So we're on. This is Ryan's account. Yeah, he's really trash at Pokemon Go. You want me to play for you?
No.
Yeah, no,
I'm
he's
bad.
so trash. So we're just
I'm
catching
really
Pokemon
trash.
in the middle of nowhere, and we somehow received some signal. I don't know how, but I guess we hacked. Yay. Whatever.
I finally hit the Pokemon after.
Okay, by
This
the
is
way,
what
the past few videos on Pokemon Go, like the community day one, like on the good account is my account, so it's not his. Look, he just
my
registered.
trash account.
Yeah, Ryan's not that good at Pokemon Go, but he's good at like a lot of other random games. So he's just gonna record a bunch
I
of
also
random
just
games.
received a medal.
Nice.
Pretty good.
Yeah, so look, we're just around the shore. Wait, let me see.
We're actually in the water right now, but
Oh yeah, and if you haven't noticed, like there's Team Go Rocket Pokestops now, so like just keep in mind that there's like gonna be weird, shady Pokestops at random places.
we're gonna walk along the beach and hopefully we can.
Okay.
We can
First we have to
catch
get it. Jeez, your GPS signal is trash. Look,
Exactly.
dude, we're in the water,
We're
right?
in the water,
We're in the water, and then
but it
check
doesn't
this.
calculate that we're in the water.
Apparently we're on land
Yeah.
right now, but yeah, we're just gonna walk back, see if this thing even works.
We'll see it in a snap.
Yeah. So the signal is actually working, and we're apparently walking in the middle of a forest. But clearly we're not. So I guess the signal is working, but the GPS is not. And
So we're just gonna
walk along the.
also. I have a 10-kilometer egg that I'm hatching.
Yeah, no, nobody cares. Whatever. So. Yeah, he has a 10-kilometer egg that he's considerably proud of, but yeah. So see ya. We're gonna see if anything interesting happens, and we'll tell you if anything does. Oh geez, there's a lot of monsters. Hey guys, we just stopped here, and like there's like some kind of boat race going on there. I have no idea what's happening, but yeah. I'm gonna attempt to record on my bike, but it's probably not gonna go well. Oh my god. Yeah, no, it's not going well. You can see that I'm moving and I'm biking, but like, it's not going very well. Oh my gosh. Yeah, yay, well, I'm recording while biking. So, oh no, Ryan just passed me. Oh god, there's too much sand. I'm just gonna stop before I get a concussion or something. See ya.
So hey guys, we're at the campfire and we're roasting marshmallows over it. Yep. The fire isn't that big, but it's pretty good. Also, there is a piece of wood that we put to see if it would catch on fire. And so far, we've put it on since 5 minutes ago, approximately, and then it still hasn't burnt, which is probably because it was wet. So here's Sam with his marshmallow. It's hard to see because there's not much lighting.
See.
There's There's a s'more right there.
Yeah.
So yeah, so this will probably end the first day of camping. So yeah, okay, so see ya.
Hey guys, it's another morning at camping, and we're at a Pokestop. It's like at the visitor center or something, and
It's at the camp store.
nobody gives a okay, so we're just gonna catch
Here's
the
a thing,
Pokemon.
but here's an Aeron right here.
Yeah. It's an Aeron.
Can you fight it?
Oh my gosh, this.
Berry.
Okay, the berry's loaded in.
It's very laggy since
Oh my god.
there's not really any signal here. Here it's still
Okay, we
a
got it.
beautiful day. The sun's out.
And we just caught an Aeron.
Approximately 8 o'clock.
Yeah, congratulations. Okay. So, now, oh, look.
So we collected a medal.
So, I guess we could spin this stop.
Yeah, so here's the Pokestop that
Oh, that doesn't want to load for us. No, none of these Pokemon do either.
here's a beautiful view of where we are right now.
Here.
It's really
it's
nice.
wait, what? And his screen has glitched out.
Okay, it's back.
It's back. Pretty high CP Quillfish.
1157.
Yeah.
Not even close.
Okay, yeah, no, it's
Yeah,
not
everything's glitching.
Well, we're gonna walk over
Well,
there.
we-
for now.
We caught the Quillfish.
Yep.
We got.
Shiny, check the Cyndaquil. It's pretty nice looking. You can catch another
CP
Cyndaquil.
is 440.
Okay. Yeah, Cyndaquil's pretty good. I guess you could catch him. And then evolve him into type version. So we're gonna go. It's really windy out here, so I don't know if you can hear us, but yeah, we're gonna walk over to the
Pretty
dock.
strong.
And look,
It broke
his
free.
Cyndaquil has broke free.
Again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna try.
Ultra ball.
No.
No, he's not gonna ultra ball it.
Just kidding.
Okay, so we're gonna go over to the sidewalk. It's really nice. And windy. It's cool. And there's my buddy, the trash can. And so we're pretty far from any civilization except for down there. There's a little port all the way down there, as you can see. Yeah, there. But other than that port or the inlet over there, we're kind of isolated. It's nice. And there's Ryan just playing Pokemon Go. So I guess we're gonna come down. We got this really nice. Well, guess we're gonna head back for now, and I guess we're gonna go fishing next. See ya. Hey guys, we just got back from the beach, and I couldn't record there because I was afraid my camera would get wet. So we're just gonna upload a separate video for the beach, and also off camera we managed to get like really far out into the lake, and yeah, our parents got kind of worried, so we went rafting in a blow-up raft. Well, yeah, so if you're wondering what we did at the beach, just go check out the other video that we uploaded. So yeah, bye. Hey guys, we were just walking along this trail, actually biking along this trail, and we came across this section of the beach, which is way better than our section. It looks really nice. And just want to show you this. It's like, it reminds me of like the Bahamas, like the tropical area.
It's also really hot out here, so.
Like, yeah, I never knew Canada could get this hot. Like,
But
this is
since
Canada.
Since we're along the lake, there's a very nice breeze to cool us off of it.
Yeah, it's like mid 30 degrees. It's really nice. But yeah, so we're gonna show you a few more views later on when we get to see them. But this is it for now. Bye.
Hey guys, so here's another view of Lake Erie.
Yeah, I know we're showing too many views, but like we just need this to like talk to you about something. So, well, today, most of today is gonna be uploaded on a separate video, and it's just about the beach and stuff. Mostly we just spent the day at the beach. Also, I got a mild sunburn, but it's like it's fine. It doesn't hurt that much. And well, usually. Yeah, the weather has cooled down quite a bit.
Really nice breeze.
Today we would have went out and like maybe went hiking or fishing or something, but like it was way too hot. We were like, we just needed to go into the water, so we couldn't stay out and go fishing. But yeah, also we could only go camping for 3 days because unfortunately it's not a long weekend here in Canada. So yeah, if it is, we would have probably stayed for 4 days. So yeah, well, I guess I'm gonna see if we're gonna do another campfire. If we are, then I guess I'm gonna show you the campfire again. See ya.
So while we were like going down our bike trail, we unfortunately found this dead
Rat.
rat over here.
Yeah.
At first there are a lot of bugs swarming it, trying to eat its food.
It's insides, but yeah, it's kind of disgusting. I might have even rode over it on my bike.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'll just leave it to that. Guys, we're at a watchtower right now, and it's kind of cool, I guess.
It's connected to a boardwalk downstairs.
Yeah, and guess what? Another view of Lake Erie. Yeah, now
there's a beach down there.
Yeah, kind of.
People don't use.
Yeah, well,
It's bad. It has no connection.
kind of, yeah. Well, I guess just now I think I'll see you at the campfire next. Hopefully.
Hey guys, so we have an early campfire going on. It's doing pretty well, as you can see. It's only 8:30, so we need, since we have a lot of logs here, to keep it going. So we also put some paper plates from earlier and some weeds on it to make it better and catch and spread easier.
And we got the marshmallows.
We also have marshmallows to roast after a while.
After a while, when it gets dark.
When it gets darker. There's also a lot of mosquitoes here, like that we need to shoo away. Okay. So this will
Probably wrap up the second day of camping, and most of it's on a separate video again, so just a reminder, and yeah, see you tomorrow, I guess. Okay, guys. So, well, after we went camping, we kind of like just stuck by at Mississauga to play some Pokemon Go. We couldn't really record it cause like I was recording the whole thing on my phone and I was playing Pokemon Go on my phone and I didn't know how to do both at the same time. So then yeah, but I'm kind of like this camping trip was I guess kind of fun. It was okay, but like again I'd rather it be 4 days, but unfortunately it's not a long weekend, so it's just gonna be 3 days of camping that I'm gonna upload. Second day's mostly on a different video, and well, this is gonna wrap up this video, so please like and subscribe, I guess, and give me more watch time. See ya.